Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Razer BlackWidow Tournament Edition Chroma keyboard and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this keyboard seems to be not responding or lagging or not connecting, or if it's stuck in demo mode and you need to exit demo mode, this hard reset will do that for you. The second reason is if you're just trying to set this keyboard up on a new computer or anything like that, where you just want to get a fresh start, like it's just coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this reset on it. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is go ahead and unplug it from the computer. And once it's unplugged, we're just going to come in and we're going to press the escape key and the caps lock key. Press and hold those two keys for a couple seconds, and then go ahead and plug the keyboard back in, all the while continuing to hold these two keys. Hold it for a couple more seconds, and then go ahead and release these keys. And that will cause the keyboard to reset to its factory default settings. Thanks for watching.